Hey guys, I'm back with another natural remedy. First of all, welcome to our channel, New Look. Today I'm going to do a remedy for your lips. Every woman wants to have a rosy and pink lips to enhance their beauty and make their smile pretty. But when the lips become dark, pigmented and dull, then it becomes a nightmare for women till they lighten their lip color. There are many reasons for getting these dark lips, such as natural hormonal imbalances, exposure to sun, UV rays, allergies, smoking, excessive consumption of coffee or alcohol, usage of hard chemicals on your lips. All these can result to a dark lips. Now I'm going to do a natural remedy for your lips to get rosy and pinky. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show two different types of home remedies for your pink lips. For the first one, you require some amount of honey and half lemon. Now take a bowl, squeeze the juice of lemon into the bowl and add half tablespoon of lemon. Mix this ingredient. Dilute this honey into the lemon. Remove the seeds from this mixture. Yes, now I will tell how to apply this liquid onto your lips. Just take a cotton, make it like a ball, like this. Dip into the mixture and apply it on your lips. This lemon is an incredible remedy, helps to achieve your dream of having pink and soft lips. Here in this video, I have shown the detailed explanation how it works and how to use it for treating your black lips. Lemons not only used to treat these dark or pigmented skin, but also it is very helpful to get your lips brighter. The rich content of vitamin C in lemon will help a lot in reducing the melanin production and thereby clears the pigmentation to make your lips shine. With its natural color, it heals the lips to get rid of its dark color, chapped and dry lips. So just apply this and let it be for 10 minutes on your lips. And now take another cotton, just wipe it off using this cotton, or else if you have any cotton cloth, you can use this cloth too. Second type of remedy, you require some amount of toothpaste and your regular lip balm. By using this toothpaste and lip balm, now I'm going to prepare this remedy for your lips. Take a bowl, add some lip balm and some amount of toothpaste. By using this tip of the spoon, mix this paste and lip balm. You can use any lip balm that you are having at your home that you use regularly while going outside. This will cure your chapped lips very well. However, the usage of cosmetic products will give the instant results but last for a short time and makes you depend on them regularly. The usage of this natural home remedy will not be like that, as it takes some time to work but definitely gives the best long lasting results. So as in the before remedy, take a cotton ball or else with the tip of your finger, just take some amount into your hands and just rub on to your lips. Apply the layers of lips balm to your lips. We need the lip balm, whatever you are using here, we need the lip balm with a thick consistency and a soft, and take a soft bristle toothpaste. You just dip into the mixture, you just rub on your lips. You can use either way by using the cotton or else with the tip of the finger or else with the soft bristled toothpaste. Massage your lips in the circular motion. Dip a washed cloth in the cold water or else the cotton in the cold water and wipe it off from your lips. Apply the thin layers of lip balm. That's it guys. By using these two type of remedies at your home, you can darken your lips if you are having any black lips. But be careful of using this coffee, tea, smoking and consumption of alcohol. Reduce those habits. You will get the pink lips naturally. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.